Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the device. Free up storage until at least 10% remains and back up critical data so you can act without risk. Once done, reboot and enter safe mode to see if third-party apps cause slowdowns. This isolates the problem quickly. Make sure to install any pending Android and core app updates because those often include performance fixes and memory optimizations. Follow these steps now so the deeper fixes in the next slide run on a clean, stable baseline. You now tackle the root causes. Open settings and restrict background activity for apps that don't need to run constantly because background processes consume RAM and CPU. Disable or uninstall resource-heavy apps you rarely use. Swapping a bloated social app for a lightweight web wrapper can cut lag dramatically. Clear app caches, and when necessary, reset app preferences to stop misbehaving services. If you have developer options, reduce or disable animations to lower GPU load. These changes free memory and steady CPU cycles, so responsive. You finish by verifying improvements. Run a performance monitor app to watch CPU, RAM, and storage during normal use so you can confirm real gains. If lag persists despite optimizations, perform a factory reset only after a full backup. That eliminates software corruption and restores original performance baselines. Make sure to reinstall apps selectively. Add only essential apps and test in safe mode after each install. If problems continue, suspect hardware issues like failing storage or overheating.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.